This video deals with setting up groups that are using Mastering Music online. Its main purpose is to assign a lesson plan to a group and more easily monitor a group from the student results area. Select a group from the list or click the plus icon to create a new group and edit the group name. As the students move up a year, you could change the group name from, say, Year 7 to Year 8. Select the group, or all to see all students, in the Member filter column on the right and click Get Members. The filtered members list will show all the members in that group. The group members in the left column are all the members already assigned to that group. To assign the members to that group, select them using Shift-click for arrange or individually using Control-click. Then click the left pointing arrow to assign them and the new members will appear in the left column. To remove members from a group, select them in the Group Members column in the same manner and click the right pointing arrow and they will be removed from that group. To assign a lesson plan to a group, select it from the drop-down list and set a pass mark percentage. A pass mark greater than 0 means that all subsequent lesson topics within the plan are locked until that pass mark is attained by the student for the current lesson topic. Each student within a group will be shown that lesson plan each time they log in,